The nation has eased into the festive season, a period marked by heightened merriment, shopping, and a noticeable surge in meat consumption. With this, health officials have issued their food safety guidelines for the sale and purchase of meat during this festive season.
All butchers must register with the Environmental Health Division before slaughter of animals. All butchers must secure a slaughter permit from the Environmental Health Division. All butchers must obtain antemortem certificate from the Veterinary Division. All butchers must obtain a butcher's license from the police in their region.
Environmental Health Division Officer Samantha Tiso reminds the public that all butchers and their assistants are required to hold valid health certificates issued by the division.
Both butchers and helpers must wash hands frequently, wear clean clothing, appropriate clothing, and use protective gear during slaughter or sale of meat.
Tiso adds that slaughter and inspection areas must be properly maintained, with strict measures to ensure no pets, including dogs or cats, are allowed on site.
Potable pipe water and adequate lighting must be provided in all meat inspection areas to ensure proper sanitation and visibility during inspections. Meats must be stored properly and kept in cooling holding facilities such as refrigerators.
The health official is also cautioning butchers and their helpers against disposing of animal waste in nearby rivers, urging them to implement proper solid waste management practices at all times.
Only sell meats that have been inspected, passed, and stamped by the Environmental Health Division. When purchasing meats, consumers are also encouraged to follow food safety guidelines to prevent foodborne illness. Purchase meats from approved butchers and request permits or certificates of wholesomeness. Avoid buying meat that has not been inspected.
A reminder was also issued to vendors to ensure that all meats are cooked to the recommended internal temperatures to keep them safe and wholesome for consumption. Individuals seeking further guidance on the buying and selling of meat during the festive season can visit the Environmental Health Division offices in Wadawaj, Vieux Fort, or Soufrière.